Oh, don't say B too much? Oh, say it softer? Wait, let me unsend that. Oh, Javier. Let me unsend. Fuck. Undo send. Okay, let's try it again. All right. Lulu's moving, so he's been stressing. Guys, we're 15K from next rank, y'all. 15K. Okay. Hey, B, what's up? What's good, B? How you feeling? I miss you or whatever. You feel me? Oh, we don't call them B? Wait. Hey, B, what's up? What's good, B? How you feeling? Oh, don't call him B? I miss you or whatever. You feel me? Oh, we don't call them B? I can't do the end though, bro. We say babes. Hey, babes. How you doing? I miss you. I'm really feeling you, B. I don't know how to say it, but I just be trying or whatever. Okay. I love you. And I'll talk to you when you land, okay? Mwah. Fuck. No, I gotta do it again. Oh, fuck, that was bad. Okay. Hey, babes. How are you? I just want to say I miss you. And I hope you're having a good flight. I love you so much. And, yeah. Talk to you soon. Mwah. You're not single. Okay, I think that was good. Hey, babes. How are you? I just want to say I miss you. And I hope you're having a good flight. I love you so much. And, yeah. Talk to you soon. Mwah. You're not single. That was good, right? That was good. What y'all think? All right, send it. Okay, we'll send it. Okay, I sent it. All right, let's see if he gets it. I said B. I didn't say B? Oh, I didn't say B? I didn't say B? Oh, fuck. Wait, let me try it again. Hold on. Hey, babes. How are you? I just want to say I miss you. And I hope you're having a good flight. I love you so much. And, yeah. Talk to you soon. Mwah. You're not single. I'm gonna just leave it. I'm gonna say B when they come back. I'm gonna say B when he right back. I mean, when he probably can't even do that. Oh, can I wait to see you? I'll just text him, can't wait to see you. Can't wait to see you. Okay, I did it. Can't wait to see you. All right, perfect. We need like 50 of these hats, chat. But I'll yeehaw when y'all send it, okay? Because I don't want to battle no more. We got 10 minutes to get to the next rank before I get off. So if you guys, let me explain something to y'all. Because I think y'all feel like I'm like this weak ass bitch. I'm not a weak ass bitch, okay? Y'all think that people gonna come in here and no. I'm not a big ass bitch. I'm from New York. I can take all of the bullshit. I can take all of the comments, all of the negative shit. I can take that shit. Cause guess what? When you locked in, you're not switching up. So you motherfuckers think you gonna break us our relationship up and our friendship and what we got going on? You got nothing coming for y'all, okay? You got nothing coming for y'all. If you think you're gonna come on the comments and scare me away, you're gonna be real mad. Okay? I'm gonna be real upset. Because I'm not going nowhere. Okay? So how's everybody doing? Galaxy? Daddy, can you drop me a Galaxy? Daddy. Did he leave? Daddy. Yeehaw. That was my daddy before it was y'all daddy, so relax, Kai. Hey, babe. Hi. Alexa, play Nobody Wanna See Us Together, but it doesn't matter.
Just to be sure, that was Meditation on Body.
No. Alexa!
By Susan Piper.
Alexa!
Right?
Play Don't Matter by Akon.
Sure. Don't Matter by Akon from Apple Music.